Welcome to the YouTube channel PCMB Tutorials. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn class 9th physics chapter heat part 5. So in this part we are going to solve some questions based on thermal capacity. So let us start. First question is calculate the thermal capacity of 1.5 kg of water. Specific heat of water is 1 calorie gram raised to minus 10 sorry gram raised to minus 1 degree Celsius raised to minus 1. So thermal capacity C we have to find. Mass of the water is given 1.5 kg, and in bracket they have given us that specific heat of water is equal to 1 calorie per degree, or else we can write gram raised to minus 1 degree Celsius raised to minus 1. Specific heat of water is this. That means that we have to convert this as it is in CG system, we have to convert this in SI because our mass is already given us in SI. So in SI system this will become 4200 joule kg raised to minus 1 Kelvin raised to minus 1. We have learned this value in previous part, I guess in part 3. Now we also know that thermal capacity C is equal to mass into specific heat. So let us substitute the value. Thermal capacity is equal to 15 by 10. Let us take it in decimal into 4200. 0 will get cancelled. 15 into 420 is 6300 joule Kelvin raised to minus 1. This unit, SI unit of thermal capacity, we have learned in previous part 4. One more question, let us solve. Ten 106.25 joule of heat energy supplied to a solid of specific heat capacity 0.85 joule gram raised to minus 1 degree Celsius raised to minus 1 to raise its temperature by 1 degree Celsius. What is the mass of the solid? So heat energy is given to us 106.25 joules. Rise in temperature. Rise in temperature means change in temperature is 1 degree Celsius. Specific heat is also given, that is 0.85 joule gram raised to minus 1 degree Celsius raised to minus 1. And we have to find mass of this solid. We know that Q is equal to ms into change in temperature, and ms is equal to q upon change in temperature. And after finding this value, we'll get the value of ms, that is value of thermal capacity. Now let us substitute the values. One 106.25 is the value of q, equal to upon 1 it was So we don't even need to take that one. Equal to ms. Ms, value of m we don't know. We know the value of s, that is 0.85. Now to find m will be equal to 10625 upon 100 will take into 85 upon 100. After multiplying this, we'll get 903125, and let us remove this 0 and we'll put the point over here as we have learnt in decimals. So the mass of the solid will be 90.3125 gram. Now, our next important topic is expansion of solids. Let us see what is it. Uh, this is expansion of solids. So, in general, a body expands on heating. This expansion results in a change in all dimensions, that is length, breadth, and height. This leads to a change in area and volume of the body. Now, let us see some expansions with the help of some experiments. Let us take this wooden handle like this. This is the wooden handle, L wooden handle WH, and this is the ring joined to it. At the up there is metallic ball and a chain. Wooden handle, again this is, and this is the metallic ball, and this is chain. And we have put this metallic ball in this ring with wooden handle, like we remove the water from a lemon. Take a metal ring provided with a wooden handle and a ball like this. The diameter of the ball and the ring are of such dimensions that the ball just passes through the ring. Both the ring and the ball are provided with the wooden handle to perform the experiment conveniently. Now heat the ball and try to press it through the ring. We observe that the ball does not pass through the ring. This means on heating the diameter of the ball has increased, and it can be concluded that solids expand on heating. Concluded as solids expand on heating. Try to repeat the activity by cooling the ball. We observe that upon cooling the ball passes through the ring. This means that diameter of the ball has decreased, and it can be concluded that solids contract on cooling. Solids contract on cooling. Now we can say that the solids expand on heating and contract on cooling. The expansion of a substance on heating is called thermal expansion of the substance. Thermal expansion of the substance. Now reason is that we know that when a substance is heated, the average kinetic energy of its molecules increases. Thus, they start moving with increased speed. As a result, the mean distance between the molecules also increases. This leads to expansion of substance. Similarly, on cooling, the mean distance between the molecules decreases and it results in contraction. Now, there are some types of expansion in solids which we are going to learn in part 6. Before that, let us see a question. A rectangular iron plate has a circular hole in it. This happens to the diameter of the hole on heating. What happens to the diameter on the hole on heating? Option A increases, option B decreases, option C remains the same. So like this it is a rectangular iron plate and there is a hole in between. So in solution, as the body expands radially outwards, the diameter of the hole also increases. So let us meet in part 6 with types of expansion in solids, their detailed explanation. Till that, I hope you have understood till this. For any query and doubt, please join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. This is the foundation of class 9th. We have covered the foundation of class 8th and 7th too. The links are given in the description. Please go and check through it. I hope you have understood till this. Thank you for watching. Let us meet in part 6.